All that work and what did it get me?
This is actually a good thing because if you are proficient in Excel, that already puts you ahead of 90% of your peers, which can make you more valuable in the workplace. So with that being said, here's a formula that you need to know if you want to boost your Excel proficiency. It's called XLOOKUP, and here's how to use it. Let's say that you have a table with employee information and then trying to dig up the department and years of experience for each one. Just do this. First, click on the blank cell under department, type equals, and then type the function name XLOOKUP, open parentheses, and then for the first argument, the lookup value, you can select your first employee name because that's what we're going to be looking up inside of our table, then type a comma, and then for the next argument, the lookup array, we're going to select the column that contains our lookup value. That would be the employee name column, so I'll select it like so, then type another comma. For the return array, we're going to select the columns that contain our desired output. We want to output or look up the department and years of experience, so we're going to select both of those columns like so, type another comma. If not found, you can go ahead and skip this, or if you want, specify what you want to display. In case an employee name is not found, type another comma. For match mode, we can type 0 if we want an exact match, which in this case we do. Close it off, press enter, and then you can go ahead and use the fill handle to drag the formula down, and once you do that, XLOOKUP will automatically look up the department and years of experience for every single one of your employees.